Good afternoon guys. Ngayong araw ipapakita ko kung ano yung huli ng aking kuya. Yan. Tingnan nyo yung background. Yan lumalakad. Kasi nga ipapakita niya daw kung ano yung huli niya sa dagat. Kasama niya yung kapitbahay namin doon sa kabila doon. Banda sa may Kanyugan. Then ito yung huli nilang dalawa. Ipapakita natin. Wala kayo naman na? Yan. Tingnan natin yung mga crab. Oh my goodness. Ang lalaki. Yan, tingnan nyo. Ay! Pagkalalaki ng mga huli nilang ano, crab. Ano ang tawag niyan?
Kuday.
Kuday. Yan yung kuday nila. Ang lalaki ng sipit. Yan yung gusto nito yung sipit. Kasi yung ano niyan tawag niyan. Oh my goodness. Yan ang lalaki. Lalaki ng sipit. Makakit ka. Choco, no. No. It's gonna bite your nose. Akala siguro yung Choco ay ano yan tawag dyan. Yung laruan. Kasi nga nagagala. Bilisan mo parang ano na. Parang magatalo na. Hindi makit. Ayan o, naglabas na. Dal! You want to see? Yan.
Yan. Alright.
Ang daming kuday. Oh my God!
Uy! Ito na.
Ayan, pagkalalaki guys. Okay, makikita nyo naman.
Bro!
You try to catch that crab, Dylan?
Me?
Yeah?
Right, okay. You want me to reach in and grab one?
Yeah.
I'm not doing that. I don't have the trick hands like that.
No.
See them?
It's my older brother toys.
Toys. Just a bit of fun. Toys just falling out.
It's not good. Choco! I think Choco interested that one.
He's interested. Like,
Yeah. Thinking, what is this?
One day, what do you say? Huh?
Maybe Choco want to touch that.
He knows.
Ay!
He knows that they smell good. Oh my god. Or he knows that he eats them.
Yeah.
He eats them, he feet.
I'm just thinking you touching the crab. Oh my goodness, it's so big.
Just thinking like yummy, yummy.
Yes, it's yummy yummy. But you want the sipit only. Oh look, the big sipit.
Oh,
This one.
wow.
Oh my God.
That's massive.
Ito kay Dylan to.
Oh my
The big sipit.
goodness. It's huge, that one.
Yes.
Which one back came off?
The big one maybe. Oh my goodness, I think more meat inside that.
Meat inside that.
Yes.
Oh yeah, you never know until you open it. Like,
Yes.
It looks like it does.
I feel like healthy. Oh, dalhin mo na yun doon. Because he had that together, one person. Then got like separate, like two person that crab.
Yeah. So this one's to be split into two, does it?
Yes.
It is. So someone's coming back later.
Yeah. There, he together with the tricycle.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Yan guys, nanggaling kami sa bayan, then nagbili kami ng aming bigas at saka pang ulam. Then ito lang yung binili namin, no. Yan. Rice, 3 kilo, then yung ano niyan, 1 kilo ay 55. At meron kami mantika dito 1.5. Then yan si Veron, sobrang kulit ng mga aso. Then meron kami ditong sibuyas, kamatis at saka kalamansi. Then merong sili, yan sausawa namin mamaya ng isda. Then dito pala meron kaming isda na binili kanina dun sa bayan. Yan. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya pag nahugasan natin. Yan pala, pinalinisan ko na yan siya. Lapu-lapu. At saka meron ditong tulingan. Ay. Yan. Yan, makikita nyo tulingan yan siya. Ang per kilo pala ng lapu-lapu ay 200. Then ito yung tulingan ay 100 lang yung kilo. Ito 2 kilo at saka ito ay sobra 1 kilo, 3 piraso yan. Si Mungkik naman niya yung isda.
That's right, I've had Jack Dan's vlog. So, what would you like me to do? Pour water over your head? Would you like me to drive you to the shop and buy you the fish?
Let's go na! You shouldn't want to catch the fish.
Yeah, I've just been driving you to the shop.
Yeah, but you need to try to wash. What the heck, go?
Because I don't want my feet to get the fish on it.
Sige de. Putol ba?
Yeah, but I have to do it slowly, otherwise it spills out everywhere. Huh? One more?
Right, yes. Because maybe 3 times you wash this one. No! Choco, no.
3.
So much blood. Shh.
Yeah. You like that, don't you? Shh. Hey.
No.
Choco.
Stop.
Oh. Stay. Stay.
Nearing that. Yan guys, maglinis muna kami ng isda. Ay, ako lang pala siguro ng itsura. What are you doing?
What do you want me to say?
You.
It's just the way the angle is.
You're weird. It's like that squish this tulingan like.
Yucky's licking it.
Ew! It's a blooded fish.
He likes dishwater.
Look, it's a big head. I don't know this one.
Ooh, that looks interesting.
I need to take it.
Waiting on a wee splashback happening there. I don't want to get a big in the face there. It's a gill or something. It looks strange. She's got the lapu lapu now. Like, this is one of my favourite fish, like, so I do very enjoy them.
Yeah.
Red one.
Then have a red one.
You can get black ones of these too. They look completely
is a black.
different. Yeah, but the face looks different.
Mm.
Your brother caught one and you called me a lapu lapu and I thought it wasn't one. It didn't look like the same face.
Goodness, like so many are lapu-lapu.
Yeah,
But-
so many fish today at the
yeah.
market.
Because before I think the lapu-lapu it's like 350 a kilo.
No, it's
200, yeah, a kilo because it's so many fish.
And then the tilapia was
It's not tilapia.
the tilingen.
Yeah.
Just testing you. Testing. 100, so half of it. So
Yeah.
actually it was 50 more for the tilingen
Mm-hmm.
than it was for the parrotfish. Or the lapu-lapu fish.
Lapu-lapu fish. It's like 250. The lapu-lapu fish 250. Then the tulingan 200 pesos.
Mm.
But the tulingan is too bigger. Then I requested to cut that because it's hard to cut. That's why now this one we need to clean. Need more water. Yan na guys, ang ating lulutuin na tulingan. Ipipirito natin yan. Kasi nga meron doon si John Mark na niluto na crab. Hinuli ng aking kuya. Kaya parang 7 slice lang yung lulutuin natin. Kasi dito kami ay 6 lang kami yung kuya ko. Wala dito na sa city na ngayon. Kasi nga magtatrabaho ulit doon. Yan. Then dito pala ako magluluto. Yan sa labas para hindi doon para hindi masyadong maraming mantika dun sa may loob namin kasi nga ayaw ko yung magprito ng isda kasi sobrang tawag dyan, talsik ng mantika. Sabay wala naman akong flour para hindi masyadong mapisik, kaya dito na lang tayo magluluto. Then yan, nakikita nyo naman yung view ng aming bahay kasi paggabi na. Then tingnan nyo yung ulap. Yung siguro may sunset, hindi ko lang sure, lumubog na. Yan. Nakikita nyo naman. Aming ulam. Then ito yung prito na tulingan. Tingnan nyo naman. Sobrang laki ng sipit. Eat that one.
Massive, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah. Diyan lang.
Kalalaki mo? Kain na, kakain si Kuya.
Yan, dito yung pamilya ko. Sabay-sabay kaya magkain ng dinner ngayong gabi. Si John Mark busy. Mayroon atang girlfriend.
May kabidyo ko yan paggabi.
Yan. Sino yung John Mark yung jowa?
Sana all may jowa.
Hindi ko makita bakla. Si Junjun di makita. Parang ka dun.
Wait,
Kita man na.
Hindi, kasi nga yung mukha ko yun na makita.
Kalokohan mo ate.
Hindi ko siya whole day. Hawa ka mga ito.
Really?
Tama natin.
No?
Okay na, I said.
Open that way.
Yan na guys, magkakain na kami. Yan ang aming ulam na pritong tulingan at saka crab. Yan. Tingnan nyo, ang laki naman ang sipit nito. Yan, makikita niyo yan. This is for you then. That's a big claw. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Oh. But you need to break that.
I'll get the knife.
Yeah. Ayan, si Merjo. Yeah, magkain na tayo. Ito pala yung sabaw. Ginataan kasi yan siya. Oh. Yan, ginataan at saka ito yung aming sausawan. Sili, sibuyas at saka kamatis. Ito ang aming rice. So you put sabaw, gata.
This thing.
Yes. Put in your rice.
Marami naman ka. Grabe ka lalaki ng nakuha niyo. Ang babaon niya. Kaya matagal naman kayo makatikim ng ano na yan, guys. Kaya ako naman.
May magkuha tayo ng sabaw. Uy,
Tayo guys. Tayo. Ay.
you don't want more coconut?
I'm alright for now, like.
Okay. Get here.
Rubber spoon. Get in there.
Maybe just one lang. Kalalaki. The straight knife. The other one. The other one. The straight only.
Paputi ko naman sa camera.
Ah, yeah. It's much better. Yan, magkain na tayo guys.
Yan, mamaya.
Uy, wala kami. Stop chili.
Want some?
No, like what's here?
You want it in there? A video call, was it?
No, my dad trying to do a video. Then he posting in the Facebook but he delete.
Oh no.
Yan. Anuhin natin ito yung sipit.
Kalaki. Nahuli ni Kuya.
Oh no, like so scary. Oh, careful in your eyes.
ka ng mata?
My God.
Ano eh?
Oh,
It's hitting me.
Wala naman.
haba.
Ah,
Oh,
Maliit lang.
you looking like?
Malaki-laki. Kalit ng laman.
Wow.
the other meat here inside.
It's inside that too, is it?
Yes.
Ikaw ba ang masama?
You got that.
So scary.
Ano bang maganda pa kung yung
Bakteryo.
yung kahoy pang ano na
Yan
sandok.
guys, oh.
Sandok.
Yung sandok doon na tiring.
Ay!
Oh, nice.
Nice. Smith. ulam. Tulingan. With coconut milk.
Eh? No?
Masarap guys. Dito natin, bubuksan natin ito yung crab.
Black crab.
Some black crab. Oh my goodness, like it's hard. Oh! Ganyan yung loob niya guys, oh. Kasi medyo may mapait-pait yan siya kasi nga yung loob niya.
Oops.
Sa mangrove crab.